How to create a Google form with a photo upload option. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you easy way to add a photo option on your Google form. So what you can do is simply head over to any of your browser and just search in for Google form. So once you search in, simply tap on it and make sure you're signed into your account. As you can see, I've already signed into my account and you'll be heading over to this page. So once you're inside here, just tap on any of your forms, already created forms. So from here, what you need to do is you will see this option called multiple choice. So simply tap on it and just click on file upload. What it does is basically tells the user, whoever is viewing this form, to upload the file instead of choosing the options like before. So simply tap on continue and wait for some time, and you can select the maximum number of files. You can also select the maximum number of file size, just like this, maximum file size, and just click on send. If you don't see send, or if you already have published it, so simply click on save, and just like that your question will be updated. So let me just reopen this whole link over here, or you can also use your share button just like this, as you can see, and you can copy the link from here like this. And let me just reopen quickly on my another tab. So once you open this, you will be seeing this option to add a file. So from now, what you can basically do is simply click on add file, and from either your drive or your recent file, you can choose to select any of your file, as we have already selected it on your PNG mode. So before we upload any file, I forgot to tell you one thing, that is you have to specify the file type. So to do that, simply enable this and make sure it's on image. So once you do that, again click on this and click on save, and once again let me just quickly open this link. So as you can see, I'm reopening my link. So once you reopen your link, now you can add a file, and what it does is it basically allows you to only upload the image file. So if you can see, you must upload your image file from your browser or your any file in the desktop. So let me just select any random file from here. So simply open that file onto your drive and wait for some time. And as you can see, it has been successfully uploaded to my form, and now simply click on submit and wait for some time until it gets submitted. And as you can see, it has been submitted. Now I will see the response from over here. So as you can see, the response has been updated, and just like that you can simply view the updated image from over here. So that is it for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.